I absolutely love them. I absolutely love. Hey guys, it's Jimmy P. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below. Also, hit that bell notification button right next to it so you can be notified when I upload all of my videos. Also, go follow me on all my social media at JIMIP_. We are lit on Instagram and Twitter, so make sure you go follow me on there. Alright y'all, so today, obviously by the title, I'm bringing y'all a baddie on a budget kind of video. I just feel like, y'all know my channel is all about budget, inexpensive, cheap, affordable, whatever you want to call it. Number one, starting with the hair. So we're going to start with the hair. Ever since I started wearing weave, I've always worn AliExpress hair. The first time I've ever bought from AliExpress, the hair was terrible. I just did a bad job at my research. So as long as you do your research, you're always going to get good or decent quality hair from AliExpress. So that is my number one tip for hair. Don't go out there trying to like spend mad money on hair, like $300, $400 on hair, when you can get the same type of hair for $200. Most of the time, these like Instagram hair boutiques or just hair boutiques in general are buying their hair from AliExpress or just from like, they're the middleman. So what you want to do, and just being a baddie on a budget, what you want to do in general is cut out the middleman. You want to find the seller, like the person that originates it. So AliExpress is a wholesale website for a bunch of people. Like, people get their hair from AliExpress and wholesale it, put their brand on it, and sell it for a lot more. I've learned of Amazon. A lot of the hair that I'm sent is from Amazon, and it's amazing hair. I love Amazon Dominant hair. This hair right here, I have my hair from Jaja Hair Beauty or Jaja Hair Company. They are really good as well. I love this hair. Their frontals are really nice. I really recommend their frontals. Their frontals are bomb. A quick little throw in there for promotion. Another thing that I used to do cute like quick weaves, like bob style. So you know when you go into the hair store and like the longer inches are way more expensive? Well, if you get the short hair like this style, like short, you can easily do a cute quick weave bob. Really easy. Also, if you go into the hair store, they have really cheap like closures, not frontals, but really cheap closures. I think I had bought a closure one time for like $15, $21. It was a really cheap closure, and the closure lasted me a very long time. Another thing that I learned, you know, I've never had like money, you know what I mean? I've always, you know, had to work for everything that I have. I've never, you know, been in the family or been the type to where I can afford just anything I put my mind to, unless I really worked for it. So I've always had to learn how to do stuff myself. I learned how to do my makeup by myself because, I mean, I can't get nobody to teach me, and I damn sure couldn't afford anybody to do my makeup. So, you know, same thing with hair. I had to learn how to slay my own hair. It took me a very long time. I'm just now getting the hang of slaying my own hair. But, you know, watching YouTube videos and just watching people in general, that will help you like learn how to slay your hair, so you don't have to go to, you know, Keisha on the block or even, you know, the hair salon to get your hair done. Because, you know, if you take the time out, sit in your bathroom for 2 to 3 hours, because it does take me a very long time to do my own hair. But anyway, 2 to 3 hours to do your own hair, you know, you'll coming out looking good. And, you know, you'll have like some fuck ups. I'm not gonna lie, y'all will have some issues or some problems along the way. But again, that's all about the learning process. You have to learn to be a baddie, period. Especially on a budget, okay? So now going on to the nails and the feet. I do not have my nails done right now because, listen, being a baddie on a budget, you can do your own toes. I just feel like no one, if you do them right, no one will know. Again, it takes time, it takes perfection. You know, just take your time when you're doing your toes. You know, paint your toes different colors. Like, I just feel like, do your own toes, bitch. If you want to be a baddie on a budget, you still want to be a baddie. Your baddies keep their nails and their toes done. If you want to be a baddie on a budget, do it yourself. Another thing, you know, especially if you don't wear acrylic. I'm an acrylic girl, but I know if I don't have it like that at that moment, I will definitely do my own nails. I'll file them down, I'll buff them out, I'll do my acrylics, I'll give myself a little manicure. I'll do like honey, lemon, and sugar. I do a honey, lemon, and sugar scrub. I'll get one of them little block things. You can get it from Family Dollar. They sell it for like $5, $3, $1, and just scrub your own feet. scrub your hands, like, you know, massage your own hands, and then I'll just go over with some red polish, white polish, nude polish, and it just looks really well put together. Like, you don't have to always just have acrylic. So that's my take on nails and feet. My next tip, it would be makeup. So listen, about makeup, I really feel like it depends on the person. If you don't have the patience to learn how to do makeup, then baby girl, I don't know what to tell you, because I personally am not paying anybody to do my makeup, especially if I can learn it myself. And I feel like that will go for anybody. Learn how to do your makeup yourself. That doesn't mean you have to do like a cut crease, a winged eyeliner, like, but you ain't gotta do all that. Literally, all you have to do is learn the basics. Learn how to contour, learn how to highlight, put your foundation on, do a cool eyebrow. You barely have to even do lashes, but I do recommend y'all doing lashes. But like, you don't have to do the most. Take your time to learn how to do your makeup, and you will instantly be a baddie on a budget, because you're doing it yourself. And you don't have to pay somebody to do your makeup, and you know, you slay your own face. And another thing about makeup, I've had the same makeup for like ever now. I rarely stock up on makeup because my makeup does last me. I personally, I feel like, as like being a baddie on a budget, I think about the future. So I bought 2 palettes in the past year. One was the Morphe 350 palette, which is a neutral palette. It has all my browns, my darks, my lights, has a lot of neutral colors. And then I bought the Morphe 35B palette. The Morphe 35B has every single color in the color book that you could ever think of. I literally don't have to buy another palette for the rest of my life if I didn't want to. I have every single color in those 2 palettes. I literally only use those 2 palettes. I think I have like 10 palettes. I only use those 2. I know it's this website, I'll put it somewhere on the screen, but I know it's this website that sells like used makeup. And I know it sounds nasty, but they definitely clean it. So don't be like a clown and think like, you know, you're just buying people makeup that's used and hasn't been cleaned. But buy used makeup on that website. I've never done it, but I know some people that have done it. Buying like dupes. So like, for instance, I have the I used the Professional's pore fillers before, and then I went and got the Maybelline one, and literally the same thing. They do the same thing. That's a good dupe. Same thing, do your research on YouTube. Just go on YouTube and like type in dupes, and literally is a bunch of girls with a bunch of videos showing you how, like, you know, these high brands, like high price brands have, like, you know, really good dupes for like Maybelline and NYX for a very, very, very low price. Another thing about finding like good discounts on makeup, Marshalls, TJ Maxx. I buy a lot of my makeup from Marshalls and TJ Maxx. You gotta go to like the ones that's like out, like far away from, you know, regular, like normal people. You gotta go to the ones where the rich people live at. All right, so my 4th tip would be skin. This just goes back to DIY and stuff. Make your own facials. Like, you know, all you have to do is research. Literally, when you research stuff, it will help you 1 ton. Research, you know, like how to do a facial and stuff like that, what ingredients are in like a scrub or something like that, and just go out. Most of the time the products are really natural and really cheap. You can go and buy them from like your farmer's market or just a market in general, even Walmart, and you can make your own face scrubs, really natural face scrubs, and just do it yourself. Do your own facial. Number 5, the one y'all all have been waiting for, is clothing. Listen, I cannot stress this enough. If you follow me on Instagram, if you don't, go follow me like right now. I posted on my Instagram story, and the girl, I think her name is Jasmine Renee or something like that. She's like best friends with Cash Dog. The plane is passing by. I think her name is Jasmine Renee on Instagram. She was seen shopping in a beauty supply store for clothes, and somebody took a picture of her and basically called her out like, oh, your favorite IG hoes is shopping in beauty supply stores. And I'm just like, so you want her to go buy a $50 2-piece set from Fashion Nova when she can go to the hair store and get the same exact outfit from the same exact vendor for half the price? Does that make sense to you? Because that doesn't make sense to me. I buy everything from AliExpress. I love AliExpress. The only thing I don't like about AliExpress is stuff takes a long time to come to you. 2-3 weeks, a month sometimes. But I feel like, to me, it's worth it because I'm saving money at the end of the day. If you're in a rush, I understand. Go to Fashion Nova. well, Fashion Nova takes forever to send out stuff too, so like what? But the point I'm trying to prove is most of these, like, you know, and not to shame any of the Instagram boutiques because I support black owned businesses, do your thing, girl. But my thing is, most of them are buying their clothes Fashion Nova, Boohoo, all of these like places, Pretty Little Thing, are buying their clothes from the same vendors that are like off of AliExpress. For instance, this outfit right here is from Fashion Nova. It is going for $35. I got the same exact outfit, and I actually think mine is better, for $6 from AliExpress. Like, come on, y'all. Like, let's be real. Like, stop trying to buy stuff just because of the brand name and just to say, oh, I got mine from Fashion Nova. Like, no, girl, I got my shit from AliExpress, period, okay? You can go to Marshalls and buy name brand stuff like Puma and Champion and all of this stuff for like $6, $12, like really inexpensive stuff. I bought this really cute, if I find a picture I'll show y'all, this really cute Champion, no, Tommy Hilfiger shirt, really cute. It says Tommy Hilfiger, it's really cute. I got it from Marshall. I think it was like $17, and I think the normal price is like $39. Like, y'all need to stop fronting. Like, stop trying to flex, stop trying to stunt on people who don't care about you regardless. And that's just on that. That's just on period. Another thing would be like Poshmark. Poshmark is another place that you can get a lot of designer things for like really inexpensive. It's like used designer things for really inexpensive, like usually half the price or sometimes even more than half the price. Another place that you can get like you can get things would be like Wish for like small accessories and stuff like that, so like shades and jewelry. Another thing, they have like these really nice like websites, such as this one website I'm about to show you guys. I got some shoes from. They have sent me some shoes, and this, again, a disclaimer, okay, disclaimer, because I know y'all gonna be really irritating in my comments. I don't care if it's fake, okay? I don't care about it being fake, okay? So now that we got that out there, don't leave it in the comments saying it's fake, because I don't care. Okay, this company called designergu.ru. I don't know how to pronounce it, so I didn't want to say it wrong, but I'll like leave it right here somewhere. Anywho, they sent me some shoes. I cannot wait to show y'all. Hold on. So this company sent me some shoes, and they are designer shoes, but they are like faux designer shoes. So these are the shoes right here. I've been wanting them for the longest time, and I really was gonna buy them myself, not even gonna lie. I was gonna save up my money. It was gonna take me a little minute. I wanted it to be a birthday gift to myself, but I wanted to buy these shoes. But the fact that they sent them to me, I don't give a fuck. Like, I'm not buying them now because I have them already. Do y'all wanna see these? I know y'all do. Yes, bitch. These are the Balenciaga runners. So these are the shoes that they sent me right here. It says Balenciaga on the bottom. It says Balenciaga on the inside. Y'all, can you see that? It says Balenciaga on the back. These are some really nice shoes for them to be faux Balenciaga shoes. They come in the little bags like these, separately placed. It also has a little, oh shoot. It also has a little Balenciaga bag, like a little duster bag. And they also put in the box just a Balenciaga shopping bag, again, just to make it look as like authentic as possible. And then they also left me like a little gift card thingy, and it says Balenciaga on it. Or is it a gift card? I don't know. No, I'm sorry, it's the little tag thing. They literally just tried to make it as like authentic as possible. So the little thing that you buy when you like, you know, when you buy designer stuff, it always comes with like a, I don't know what to call it, just a little like tag thing to show that it's authentic. So this is it right here, the little Balenciaga thing. It comes with this, it says Balenciaga on it. They are so bomb. Look at them. Look at them. My ex-boyfriend had a pair of Balenciagas, and his were real, and they literally look just like his, even down to the little Balenciaga on the back. Like, that is sick. Let's try them on. Look. Oh my god, they are so cute. Look, it's so cute. I absolutely love them. I want to give a huge shout out to that company, designergu.ru, for sending me those shoes, because I absolutely love them. And this just goes into my next tip. Confidence. It's all about being confident, baby. Like, listen. One thing my ex-boyfriend told me, because listen, that nigga ain't teach me shit, but that he's a cheater. One thing he told me is he used to always say, nobody's ever going to question if my stuff is real or not. So I remember he had bought this fake Gucci belt. We were young, so it doesn't count. I think we were like 18. So yeah, I bought a Gucci belt and it was fake, of course. And I asked him, like, you not scared, ain't nobody gonna say nothing to you? He was like, ain't nobody gonna say nothing to me. Like, I make my stuff look good and ain't nobody gonna say nothing to me, period. Because if you give off that confidence, like, yeah, like my stuff is real and you know my stuff is expensive in general, nobody's gonna question if it's real or not. But if everything is put together, your hair's put together, your makeup, your clothes, everything, no one's gonna question whether or not your stuff is real. No one's gonna question or not if you bought your stuff from Fashion Nova or if you bought it from AliExpress. No one's gonna question it. And again, all about confidence. Who gives a fuck if people question you or who? Don't worry about what other people got to say, period. That's all about confidence, all about how you portray yourself. Don't worry about what anybody else has to say. Do y'all think I'm gonna give a goddamn when I post these damn Balenciagas? Do you think I care if somebody gonna be like, shit on fake Balenciagas? I don't care. Do you think I care? I feel like all about being a baddie is not about what you wear, not about how you look. It's literally about what the confidence you give off to people. Show people like, I am a bad bitch and nothing you say, nothing you do, nothing I wear is gonna change that. So adding on these layers of clothing and hair and makeup and everything of that, you know, nature isn't gonna make you any more or less of a bad bitch. So that's just that. Don't get fooled by these Instagram girls, because most of the Instagram, like the popular Instagram girls, are broke. Do not be fooled by these ladies, okay? They are broke. They do not have money. Most of the time, they're either getting sent this stuff for free, or they also got it from the cheap websites. They just don't want to say it, okay? So don't feel pressured into thinking you have to own this and you have to own that and everything, because you don't have to do that, because most of the time they aren't doing that either. So that is the end of this video. I want to thank Designer Room yet again for sending me these amazing shoes. Y'all will be seeing them on my Instagram very, very soon. So make sure you go follow me on Instagram so you can see that. Let's keep it cute. If you watch this video, go on my Instagram, and if you see me in the shoes, put like put a dollar sign emoji. Put a dollar sign emoji, because we getting paid. Period. The link for the shoes will be down below in the description box, so make sure you go check that out. Thank y'all so much for watching this video, and I will see y'all in my next one.